Where is Alkaline?
All right. Give me
What's
a rundown.
happening with
Give me a
Alkaline
rundown.
right now?
All right, give me a rundown right now. Cause I'm gonna say this right now. I like I say to my chest. Alkaline I put out some of my best music and career right now.
I'd always been blind, but now I saw for the very first time. You don't believe me, do you?
Wagwan, yeah, so. Me can't believe them and make them kind of turn, yeah. Heel turn. Wagwan, yeah, so. Listen.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Wagwan, yeah, so. People them confused. Wanna say, switchings are going, tides have turned. What is going on? This is strange. Them ya people, yeah? The Alka haters, them of the century. Turn around now. And I say, yo, a Alka them thing there? Well, not really, but kinda like, I mean, what the plot? When I run in, you know. We say
That is how me personally feel. The man I put out some of the best music. You mentioned Blanco.
Oh, that song that's sick, man.
Yo,
Big
Blanco is a hit.
Oh, boss.
No, nobody try jump ship right now.
Boss.
Let me talk
I'm
right
not
now.
jumping ship. Why are you trying to
Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. I know a lot of you no see it, but if you no see it, go and go check it out. JA Radio. Wiz speaks his truth on Alkaline's music currently and where Alkaline I do. Yo, this seems like a scripture from the Bible, bro. When Saul became Paul, Saul was blind and knowing him see. Yo, Wiz, I prefer Wiz right now. I showcase that same scene from the Bible, bro. These things them we been talk about, brother. I same thing we are going right now, brother. The same thing will take place right now where them attack say, yo, oh, the dog now going with nothing, music now going up. But we see that we speak him truth and me I play some video phone. Me I play a clip phone so you can see it and we're gonna react to it and see everything. Cause you remember, back in ideas, back in 2018, them that beat him bad, them that beat Alkaline bad. I say, yo, him fall off, and as we mention, him bring forth this fall off argument. Well, now I go say, really, him alone, but a lot of people that mention it, but we see where them that talk about Alkaline fall out from them time there, and now in a 2025 we see that Wiz come out of the dark, but apparently his wife Shak, she's still in the dark and she don't seem like she ready for coming out of light for realize that say Alkaline I do it and Alkaline are the man currently as we speak. Yo, we been said this, bro. Say an artist need him fans, and if an artist don't have a fan base, we can sustain him career. He will fall off, but if you see them I say him fall off back then and come to realization now, I say, yo, Alkaline I put out some of my best music now, bro. This is what I've longing to see, bro. I know me I go see it, but me never expect someone to see this right now. If you say, yo, all like people, them I take back them words now where they pan Alkaline name from them time till now. I have to see that Wiz come to him senses and realize that yo, Alkaline headspace they in a different place right now where some of the people them if them now live a certain life, them can't relate to Alkaline music. And Alkaline music is a growing music. It evolves with time and it's like fine wine, bro. And for see now that Shak and Wiz of all person, bro. We all know say Wiz is an Alkaline fan, but because of whatever reasons in me that target him in a sense where him a beat him and a talk down. Yeah, him that talk down upon him in a sense where it seems as if them a try gang up against Alkaline. But we see now in a 2025, we see Wiz, bro. Wiz of all person. But some of the time, as your Alkaline say, bro, everything I gonna make sense soon. Time at the master, time longer than rope. And we see now that Alkaline music growing. Bro, I tell people, I'm been a tell people, say Alkaline music is like fine wine, bro, that grow with time. And we see now, Wiz, I profess, oh, Alkaline music are the best right now, are best time career right now. It's amazing, bro. What a time to be alive. And I know the Vendetta fans them supposed to laugh at themselves and I say, yeah, you see it? I'm gonna take back on the words now. Yeah, man, and that we like to see, man. Alkaline and make us no wiser, man. So let's get right into the video and we're gonna react to it and all our Wizard Fiasa because it's so surprising. It's so surprising. And me I wait for a CV for jump out for speak panic. I know me not see CV said no, but you know, I'm mad thing. Let's get to it. Our vibes and inside. Man.
My
The man
God.
said to me, you know, yo, when Alkaline said 2016, him never knows that 2016 would have been last good year Alkaline have.
If
that's the dog I said to me,
if
no?
they're honest, they'll say yes, that's actually true.
2016 is the last good year Alkaline having a dancer.
Now, where he was running the entire year.
So where they call him right now? Cause Boji, but I ask you, cause you know say yo, you're anti-rated vendetta. What's that call it as it is?
No. What?
Alkaline fall off?
What do you mean?
Alkaline
I'm a
fall off?
fan of Alkaline.
Yeah, but Alkaline fall off in your mind.
He felt out long ago. But I'm just saying. Not in the sense, why are you gonna put this propaganda out there that I am not? I've always been a fan of Alkaline. I think he put out some really good music that his fans don't even
Nah,
pay
you have to
attention
say it with the chest, man. Yo, that podcast
But
all about
he
you know.
is no.
How you feel about Alkaline right now? Big man thing.
I think he's not utilizing his potential because I feel like he's capable of so much more. Like, a man have some really sick tune out there, you know, like Blanco is one of my favorite songs.
You see, when people not understand the music, it was hard for them comprehend. And right now, Wiz wife, she not comprehend Alkaline music. She not really get it on a level. And Wiz mind come like it they far from fear one. So him get it and him understand the levels of the music. So right now, Wiz I got sure what it is like to know lyric, know music, and comprehend music. And this is where I'm to say with Alkaline music. And let's get it and hear what Wiz have to say.
That's not what it was. And see, we said it and it came to pass. Where is Alkaline?
All right. Give me
What's
a rundown.
happening with
Give me a
Alkaline
rundown.
right now?
All right, give me a rundown right now. Cause I'm gonna say this right now. I like I say to my chest. Alkaline I put out some of my best music and career right now. That is how me personally feel. The man I put out some of the best music I'm career. You mentioned Blanco.
Oh, that song that's sick, man.
Yo,
Big
Blanco
tune.
is a hit.
Oh, boss.
No, nobody try jump ship right now.
Boss.
Let me talk
I'm not
right now.
jumping ship. Why are you trying to make me the ups? I am a fan of Alkaline.
Yo, Blanco, I one of my favorite songs for the year. I love it so much. Remember, so we got DR, no? I'm gonna do the
and
vlog.
we added it into our vlog.
I'm gonna add it in the vlog. Probably me insert a clip.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yo, me some ready tune so tell dog. I remember, you know, yo, the girls them love Blanco, you know. Every female right now I call themselves Griselda Blanco right now. They must say yo, and them are the baddest beside them man.
Yeah.
Anything them man, yo, it's like it man make soundtrack to people's life right now. I feel like most people just not depend on the level in life where Alkaline there, so it's kind of hard to resonate.
Where you just say, hold on there, where you just say the people them not depend on the level, the people them can't comprehend the music on a different levels. If you not live a certain lifestyle, a certain way, you can't comprehend Alkaline music. No, this will be not tell people over the years, and people now see it, they understand the levels of music where the dog are sing. It's beyond this generation, not even beyond this generation, but it's more of a higher realm, bro. The man will sing futuristic music, and if you not live a certain lifestyle, if you're not, and we all know, so we have to grow in a life. We all want to live the lavish lifestyle. We all want the millions and the nice car and the house. So if you not live a certain lifestyle, you not understand Alkaline music. But then again, at the same time, and not just lifestyle music, you must sing, but you must sing positive music to give the youth them a wiser insight of life. And bro, it's so crazy how we've been said this over the years and people fail to understand it. I remember back in 2018 coming down to 2019 when the dog have songs like Juggernaut, the song dog have load up Ocean Wave when they must say, yo, the dog have sing Ocean Wave like he might go back to the oceans or, you know, they might try fish up the dog thing. And we are trying to show the people them say, yo, and so the man music stay, bro. But it's so crazy, bro, as how Alkaline say, bro. It's the last. The last will know, bro. The fool is always the last to know. And we see it, brother. The fool really is always the last to know. Them not gonna know till it's too late. And right now, it's too late for a lot of them people that know, say, bro, Alkaline music, it's like fine wine, bro. It have so much substance where you And your young ones them are gonna grow up for love it. You are gonna grow up for love it, and your young ones them also are gonna grow up for love it. I'm gonna see this right now, bro. It's
Remember,
crazy.
the man sing song like Boss.
Boss
The man,
sick.
the man sing song like the Blanco. He must say, yo, we could get rich together.
And
Me
there's
and my
a-
woman, right?
Yeah,
Remember, say, he's
yeah.
one of the only artists right now when I talk about coming at people's face and
And the
Him a talk about-
gozo and the
Yeah.
one bag of crap.
listen to Alkaline songs them right now. What Alkaline do, you know? The man say, yo, come off a vet the girl them. Because I say, no, Alkaline write like a story, man, you know. I know you can't say, yo, my jump ship and me a vendetta no or whatever. But yo, bro, me up on a different
I
level in life.
think no. Listen,
Wait. I say, yo,
he's
the
not.
man, we in pencil, him sure you say, yo, when he meet a girl,
What a time to be alive, Jaja. We seem upon a different meds right now, bro. We've been upon a different meds. I just wanna slow on, know the levels out there, and just keep up right now. And more people are gonna to keep up. You see, dancehall music listeners, they're all about the drama and the hot topic and who at right now. You see, alkaline music, bro. Alkaline music, a music where the dog put out music for no say. You see them song where me a put out in this time frame here in a life. You see the next time frame in a life, all who are gonna come after this generation, and them are gonna grow for come and love the music for what it really is. Not just because of momentarily hype and the drama and over name at in our media. Cause right now, most of the artists them only see in our media. They are just out there for the media, nothing else like all the Vibes Cartel. He might do the interviews them on the radio, but with the songs them they for speak. The songs them not do nothing. So at that the dog I use a show on with the music say my music are timeless music. Timeless, not just momentary for the moment, for the hype and the hotness. You see, my fans them when me have to do the music, them know where my music stands and them know what the levels are where my music dip and so at that. And right now we see Wiz just start upon them levels. And I'm glad to see it. I love to see it. Sometimes you can't even knock a man, because they just give him time for grow, And that we see right now with Wiz. We send up on a different meds right now. And that the dog meds us say, yo, Alkaline are one of the best lyricists, the man of the best penmanship in our game right now. And Jaja God. It's a good thing.
vet her first and see if she loyal. And you see, once she loyal, him give her a world. And that type of reasoning there, I mean, say, yo, it kind of resonate with me. You get me? Because
I understand
Alkaline
that.
represent for the introverts. I feel like the fan base they kind of gravitate to artists where them see themselves in. Why? I don't know if why moment that. Why that?
Yes. Why?
But yeah. Yo, I'm grown people reasoning right now.
Why? But yeah, go ahead.
With Alkaline, it's like say, yo, I saw me move like Alkaline, you know me.
Yeah.
Yo, when I mix and mingle,
True.
you get to me and say we not even retaliate and jump up.
Hold on there. I can't always shot this way usually beat Alkaline. Yo, I can't always shot this way usually beat Alkaline and succumb to all of the songs them where Alkaline are put out where I do it greatness. Turn around now and say all of them things about Alkaline. I can't believe it as it's stated in a title, bro. Am I dreaming? It come like me a dream to blood clean. But honestly, people, as me saying a lot of my reviews, them bro, Alkaline and Vibes Cartel alone carry the heavyweight in a dancehall currently as we speak. And you know Vibes Cartel in the media, him have the interviews and him do all the necessary things and to keep him name out there. But at the same time, heavyweight brother, Alkaline and Vibes Cartel, and you can know so yeah, Vibes Cartel are doing thing, but as you can see, the heavyweight it a fluctuate. The heavyweight for Vibes Cartel right now a fluctuate. So bro, it crazy that Wiz and Shak right now. People, if you now watch them people are from a longer time, you must know all like the reviews them and the songs them and the way how them beat Alkaline. And if you see now, Wiz I come out of the dark, I say yo, Alkaline music and Alkaline penmanship I best in a game right now. We've been and said this, bro. Alkaline can run dance if him want, but I know that him want do. I know that the man want to do a long life, lasting music. The dog I put out where it will stand the test of time. Like a Bob Marley, where you know say Bob Marley have songs we him do 20, 30 years ago and see there, it still a get big Grammy and it still a get nominated and it still a do it numbers. It still a get the support them. So that bro, the music fit long lasting of time, not just music for momentary. And that I go on right now where you say Wiz finally I realized, say, yo, Alkaline music, really I best music out right now, you know. And then penmanship right now, better than everybody, you know. The man now sing no song about hand and no girl, and him a dig girl through prison window, and ray, and him a juke your mother with him middle finger. Bro, the man a do music for stand the test of time, brother. And for see this now, brother, make me a laugh in myself, and me as a Jaja God. Jaja God. Then finally I realize where the dog meets the pan as it pertains to music.
You see me?
But you know, but still, when I'm saying he's not utilizing his full potential, as we were talking about Cartel, you see, it's not just about the music.
What is
You
it about?
have to have the other side where all right, you're an artist, right? There has to be another side where people can relate to you on some level. Yes,
You see what Shaka say? Shak want Alkaline to do the same thing like every other artist. But no, Alkaline no mix and mingle. Like, he my true artist wanna mix and mingle. You want the man do the interviews, them, the TikTok, the social media, all of them things. The Alkaline is not that person. So when you just have to accept him for who him be and know say that is him. Not everybody is going to do the same thing. Yeah, we understand the entertainer should be able to do interviews and do the software, do the internet and all of them things. But not every artist have to do that. If we might do a work film right now, it a work film and they will continue to do it. We see it. The Vibes Cartel, I do the interviews them, and him put out the songs and him fans them now support it, them now stream it now do the numbers, and see Alkaline now do that, and it a work for him. So what that say? Him fi stick to the plan and stick to the project, because when him a do a work for him and him not have a problem, them say, what a work for you don't knock it. If it a work for you don't knock it, and that a go on for him. So at that type problem with most of the people them out there as supporters, music listeners. They want to see you out there in a drama, they want to hear your name and mix and mingle with all sort of thing. But because our music alone never make speak for itself, people are saying fall off. But hey, make them continue saying fall off. If the fans them still a support him and a still a come out for him when him shows them a go on, then that no call for them, man. I best thing that ever. I best thing that for your artists, if you get the support from your true fan base and not people with so-called listeners or fans who say them are fans and not support your thing. I best thing for him.
he may represent the introverts, right? And people who don't really talk to people, they're not really outspoken like that. But at the end of the day, you have a fan base that they're out there riding for you. Like, you have to at least
And
meet
that's what I
them
said,
halfway
Bougie.
on some level.
And that's what I'm trying to tell us, say, yo, you see, if you are Alkaline fan, you're gonna realize that yo, the man put out songs where gonna just resonate.
The music
with you.
is good.
The fan base, them did it. The numbers, them did it. Now left a game, hit song, the numbers, them did it. Boss did it. Lone Madness.
Nah, I feel like, when it done, I love that one.
Yeah, the way back in us all time.
No, Boss.
Now I feel like,
No, it came out right when Boss came out.
now left a game.
No.
The song will shut up people and nah laugh. You know Alkaline song nah laugh. Yeah, that song there with the video, but of course. But you see, bro, it's crazy, brother. It's crazy if you see a time and a age and a time like now, bro. If you see them people are at it, them not, and a tear down, you know, it's not a tear down what them are doing, but them are show say, yo, them succumb to it all, bro. To Alkaline music and know say Alkaline music different from the rest. Brother, remember the man said, we're different from the ordinary, you know, bro. We're different from the ordinary. We're not the same. We over here, so them over there, so we over here, so we're not in everybody. So the Vendetta fans, them when listen to Alkaline music, they know what Alkaline stands for. They know what Alkaline music represents. We all know what it represents. So we're good with him not doing the media and the social media thing. So while people out there were not true supporters and true fans, they might go and say all the things them what them want to say because they want to see more from the artist, and then again, them not in tune with what the artists are going with. So sometimes they're outside, you know, them dip on the sideline and I see, they now see what go on pan the field, dust the sideline. So that are going right now. So it's crazy. People, as me say, go watch a video and take it in. I mean, I finish a few more of the clips. Cause I don't want to drag it out too long. But I'm just showing and say, yo, it come like a dream, bro. If you see them people are out here now, whiz, bro. And I know say enough people out there where I see them feel where them feel about the music and about Alkaline music. Say, yo, Alkaline music stand the test of time. Feel music have more substance than everybody else right now. Even though you know see it I get the prop up where it forget because our the youth probably not promoting music, but him contented with all music I go on because all of who you see out here promote their music and I do all sort of thing for their music go big. Most of them are buy views. Most of them are push push the envelope for people, push the music somewhere. Some may say them want Alkaline do that, but no, I true authentic way of how the music can speak for itself and the dog contented with that. And everybody else I do the for them thing, and the dog I go and do for them thing. But as I say, you know already, man, people, just check it out. I mean, I know what they think about this whole thing, because if we come to think of it, brother, me remember me I put a clip in that video here, how the people them usually say Alkaline nah fall off Alkaline nah do done. So you know you go man a vibes and inside with Nando. Make sure you check out the video. Tune in and remember to like, subscribe, and you know I'm out. Peace.
The opposition I'm a nah laugh. I fashion and we are the music and a knock up. We smoke cloud but not spot me knock up.
If you go out and not get no show up.
Hold on. Which hit song him have for 2018? Which hit song him have? 2018. 2018 hit song.
One top show can cover. You don't really job nothing. We are talking about, you may say not mention, we are talking about 2018 right now.
Him drop about 5 sitting for 2018 still.
Yeah, he drop couple songs, you know. Yeah. And I don't give fans them a run it done. No. But but look one ding dong, you know. TG, everybody, you know. Everybody fan, you know. The man that take over everybody fan, you know. No man, a good man.
Now big man thing, I miss so much hit song we get. We get Tough, Ragging King. We get Busy Signal, Stay Up.
Alright.
What else we get? We get They Don't Know, Massacre.
Get Greatness Massacre. Right now, right now we will say a Massacre lead 2018.
Definitely. 2018 a Massacre.
With the most hits right now. No, man.
The man said no.
No, I don't say Massacre no hard, you know, because you have to give him props. Because right now, if you talk about hot artists, still you can't left out Governor neither.
That's true.
Governor hot artist right now.
Yeah.
Up top boss are going good.
Being for real.
Yeah. Ragging are going good. But in idea, star. You see me? After Vice Cartel come Alkaline and none can come before.
Yeah, but Vice Cartel not get no hit for 2018, you know.
We should not get no hit, but at the hot the same way.
They get some banger.
Alright, yeah, some banger. Alright, then so Underwater and a hit. When I give that a hit, a big tune, yes. A big tune, but I no hit. So why hit then? Why the hit? No, you see, Vice Cartel, if you even sing Foolish People, still a go. Just like Alkaline too. No. Just like Alkaline too. Alkaline sing Foolish and the man there, and they still run back and sing.
Alkaline and Vibes Cartel are the same sentence, man. They're two different artists, man.
They say not reach the level yet.
You don't reach the level.
Him close. Yeah, we not say no. Yeah, am I closest to?
You not close.
No man, am I closest?
You can't close, man.
No. Then who after Vice Cartel? Who come after Vice Cartel? Which artist come after Vice Cartel?
Boy, I don't know.
No, man. I don't know. Watch the Foolish man, but I don't know, man. No, I don't know. Do thing different, you know.
Alkaline better than I don't know.
What you mean? Let me show you with I don't know. I don't know strategy different, you know.
You can't say that, big man.
Yes, man. Busy Signal? Busy Signal a different artist, man. You can't mix them with type of artists, you know?
You can't mix that.